Removing external account from PenFed. Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to remove external account from PenFed. So let's get started. If you are doing it on a computer, log into your PenFed online banking account and click the drop-down icon next to your name in the top right corner. Then select Settings from the menu and go to the Accounts tab under Account Services. Now scroll down to Account section or External Accounts according to your device and click the trash can icon next to the account you want to remove. Then click Delete to confirm. And if you're doing it on mobile application, log into PenFed mobile banking application, tap More to access account services, and here select Settings and navigate to Account Settings, then select External Accounts. You will see Trash Can option, tap on it and then click Delete to confirm. And that's how you will be able to remove external account from PenFed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.